Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory is a big deal when it comes to national security, and its prominence among the national labs gives us the ability to do big science and technology. Not only do we answer basic science questions, but we also convert ideas into practical solutions to big problems. We're pushing physical and imaginative boundaries, and that's where Livermore engineering plays a critical role. From producing nuclear weapons to achieving nuclear fusion to bioprinting human organs, it takes every kind of engineer to build the things that only we can build. Engineering at Livermore also includes the lab's fabrication center, the machine shops, where many designs become realities. Our multidisciplinary teams require machinists, researchers, and engineers of all stripes to create aerospace designs, optics diagnostics, complex 3D prints, nanomaterials, and so much more. One example of how influential our engineers' work can be comes from the GUIDE program, which uses AI to redesign antibodies against viral pandemics. Imagine being part of the solution to the next pandemic. With new viruses emerging all the time, finding the right antibodies to combat the ones that are life-threatening is profoundly difficult. But recent advances in artificial intelligence and biocomputational models are revolutionizing drug development by enabling researchers to discover new drug products with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Here at Livermore, the Generative Unconstrained Intelligent Drug Engineering Program, called GUIDE for short, achieved a breakthrough when a team led by our engineers and scientists successfully redesigned antibodies used to treat coronavirus infection.
I think that at this point we've all seen how tragic an infectious disease outbreak can be. And this is true whether it's a worldwide pandemic, a local endemic infectious disease, or an outbreak. And so what GUIDE aims to do is to generate antibodies that are going to keep us safe.
Only at Livermore would you see the speed with which the GUIDE program got off the ground. Our laboratory's unique facilities, expertise, and government investment helped reimagine how therapeutics are designed and achieved results in weeks that typically would have taken months or years. And our high-performance computing capabilities are second to none, making programs like GUIDE possible.
The GUIDE program works with a lot of high throughput data coming from the computation side. In order to meet the throughput of the computation team, we have some robotics and automation that helps us meet the challenge of running as many experiments as possible and running them in a reproducible and with quick turnaround time.
Of course, it's not just infrastructure that makes the Livermore Lab a great place to work on world-changing endeavors. The lab's collaborative structure and widespread expertise make for an environment that fosters rapid innovation and invention.
Here at the laboratory, we have the opportunity to put together the expertise of many leading scientists and engineers in order to make a capability that serves a real need, that helps us to respond rapidly to an emergent pandemic or other pathogen, that helps us to provide a capability for making a new medicine that we could deliver to somebody.
If you want to be part of a team that makes change in the world, join Livermore Engineering, where our interdisciplinary efforts, like GUIDE, build reality from mere dreams. Interested in gaining a foothold in the future of science and engineering? We're always looking for engineering staff across the spectrum of production, from researchers to machinists. Check out our website to see where you fit in.